Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, bringing you guys another dope video. And this is actually coming from another company that I got from Amazon. Believe it or not, I got this from Amazon. And it's called, they're called the WeQueen company. That's right, me and WeQueen have teamed up to bring you guys another curly girl review. So this particular curly girl review I have on is their Kinky Curly. I believe this is 14 or 16 inches. I cannot remember. Hold on, let me check. I believe it is I believe it's a 14 inch to be totally honest with you guys. I believe it's a 14 inch. But yes, this is coming from the WeQueen company. I actually love this unit. She's very cute, very lounge worthy, which is why I have on my cute little lounge outfit from Shein. And like I said, this is what the box looks like. Very cute, very black, and it's actually really, really nice. I actually like it. I love, y'all know I love boxes for my wigs, especially for storage. This is actually one of their headband units. And so I actually love headband units, especially on the days that I'm on that chill shit. Y'all know. But yes, it also has care instructions in here of how to take care of caring for lace wigs, but that's really wigs in general. Of course, I give you guys my own personal little tidbits of how to take care of these units, especially curly hair units. And I also tell you what products to personally use for this particular product. This is a human hair unit also. This one came with a wig cap that I did not use, but I collect these. It comes with a really cute bag to actually put your wig in. And it came with some really cute headbands that I really liked. And they're, they're really, really snug onto the head itself. So I'm wearing the mustard yellow one right now. I also have a real pretty green color, this brown, and then of course a red. These are I love these headbands. Like I'm probably gonna wear these headbands just in general, not with this unit, but I love these headbands. They're very strong, very durable, very comfortable on the head. I don't have to worry about anything. This wig is definitely big head friendly. It also, there's something different that was in this one that wasn't in a lot of the other ones that I have. It actually came with an adjustable strap along with combs. So you get a couple combs in there along with the adjustable straps and the actual band itself that velcros onto the head to keep the wig in place along with your headband. So you can actually, you can maneuver some things with this unit. And you don't have to worry about your head sliding off your head, or you don't have to worry about it, not fitting right. They also gave me lashes that I never use. I actually give them to London. And that's pretty much it that comes in the box. Like I said before, I actually like this unit. I have no issues with this unit. This unit is very much so big head friendly. And she's actually going to be part of the lounge crew. Hanging in the house, chilling, doing my thing, Yes, but if you want to know more about this company or want to purchase from this company, I'll definitely leave the link down below in the description box where you guys can cop this unit. So if there's anything else that I think I took care of everything. So as always, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,